best use a lightening soap without getting any side effects? Hello, my name is Damlola. You're watching me here for the first time. Please hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, like this video, and do share this video. It is okay to get yourself a lightening soap. There is nothing wrong with using a lightening soap, especially if you're someone that exposed yourself to a lot of sun and then you're getting all dark. You can use a lightening soap. Or maybe you actually got yourself a lightening soap, but then you're not using it the proper way. They started having acne, started having hyperpigmentation, started having melasma, all those skin dramas. It is okay, it is fine. You are actually in the right video, because in this video I'm going to tell you what you need to consider before you get a lightening soap and how you can use that particular lightening soap and get a fantastic result without any side effect. So do not go anywhere. The first thing you need to consider is know your skin type. It is very important. You cannot run away from it. You want to get a lightening soap and you don't know your skin type? Oh my goodness. You are having skin problems, you don't know your skin type? Oh my goodness. How do you expect to get a solution to that skin problems? How do you expect a fantastic result from a particular lightening soap you got if you don't know your skin type? You need to know your skin type. Do you have a sensitive skin? Do you have oily skin? Do you have combination skin? All those things are very, very important. Please know your skin type before you go and buy any lightening soap. Know your skin type. All right. Number 2 is the ingredient. Now you want to go buy a lightening soap and you probably watch videos on YouTube or TikTok where they said 6 affordable lightening soap that will glow your skin, and they're not telling you that this particular soap has one annoying ingredient that might be so harsh on your skin, thereby leading to irritation. All these things are very, very important. Check out for the ingredient. There are some ingredients that will be too strong. They are chemical ingredients that will be too strong for your skin. And if you're someone that has a sensitive skin type, you would react to it. Then you start noticing that you're having breakouts, you're having acne, you're having all these skin dramas. So you want to be very, very safe. You want to be very safe. You don't want to be sorry. You don't want your skin to be so sorry and crying, saying, why did you do this to me? You need to make sure that you check out for the ingredient. Know what you are allergic to. Know what your skin doesn't like. Number 3 is, after using your lightening soap, do you moisturize your skin? It's very important. Moisturize your skin. Moisturize your skin. It's very, very important that you moisturize your skin, because all this lightening soap, most of them, I don't think there's any lightening soap that doesn't dry the skin. If anybody tells you that lightening soap doesn't dry your skin, it's a lie. Lightening soap will dry your skin. That is just the truth. I will not lie to you guys. Lightening soap will dry your skin. So you need so much hydrating products. You need to moisturize your skin. It is very, very important. Aside using toner, aside using serum, all those things, you need to make sure that you moisturize your skin heavily. It is very, very important, especially if you're someone that has a very dry skin type, because there are actually people that have dry skin type. You need to stay hydrated. Drink a lot of water and make sure that your skin also takes a lot of hydrating products. All right. Another thing you need to note is you making sure that you use a skin lightening lotion. Now this part, stay close to me. When I say skin lightening lotion, I know some people might be like, why would you be using a skin lightening soap and be using a skin lightening lotion? The truth is, skin lightening soap doesn't stay long on the skin. When you use it to have your bath, you rinse your body, off you go. That's it. But for lotion, you use your lotion. It is advisable to use lightening lotion at night, by the way. Use your lotion at night and then you sleep over till the next day. It's going to play on your skin for like 8 hours or more. So it's going to, you see the effectiveness more on your skin than just, being based on the lightening soap. Lightening soap, you wash it off and it is gone. So if you want to see the effectiveness more, you need to get a lightening lotion to see that amazing result. Just make sure that you have those two together. Now, this takes me to the next thing that you need to look out for if you want to get that lightening amazing amazing skin without side effects. Please note that you know the kind of lotion you're getting, the kind of skin lightening lotion you're getting. Check the ingredients too, it's very important. Like you're checking the ingredients for the soap, also check the ingredients for the lightening lotion so you don't get any irritation and come and miss my blind. Damn, Lola, you said I should use a lightening lotion with a lightening soap. Check the ingredients. Will your skin type react to this particular ingredients? Please do a lot of research. I know that I do research for you guys here, but I also would like that you guys do some research for yourself. Do research. And if you guys want me to just, tell you people some lotions to look out for that will not give you guys side effects, I'll do that. Just ask at the comment section. I'll do a video on that. But please make sure that you check the ingredients for what suits your skin type, what best suits your skin type, so you don't have any irritations. Now, after noting all these things, another thing you need to also note is that your skin needs to breathe. Your skin needs to breathe. Yes, your skin needs to breathe. I know that when I say your skin needs to breathe, you guys are probably wondering what I'm saying. Like, what this guy is speaking Spanish? All right, what I mean by your skin needs to breathe is that now when you get a skin lightening soap and you get yourself a skin lightening lotion, it is very important that you give your skin some space from those lightening products. You can decide that, okay, I want to use, let's say for example, Kojic Sun. I want to use Kojic Sun for 3 months. And then I want to use my lightening lotion at night for 3 months. You can, I'm just giving an example. And after 3 months, I want to opt for a mild brightening soap, like for example, extract soap, or because there are actually people that use extract soap. When people say extract soap lightening the skin, I used to use extract soap before. It's very good for my skin, brightens my skin. But there's some people that will use extract soap that will still retain their dark skin because that is their color. Extract soap will just glow your skin, even your skin, bring out your exact color. That's what extract soap will do. So you can opt for soaps like extract soap, Dove creamy bar soap, specifically Dove creamy bar soap, because you're trying to actually stay on hydrated products. So you look for a soap that will not lighten your skin, but it will just brighten your skin, so you're on the safe side. So sometimes like that, you're just putting yourself on products like that and just leaving Kojic for a while. It doesn't mean you will not go back to it. Of course you go back to it, but just allow your skin to breathe. And that lotion, you can also stop it for a while and use probably a Nivea Radiant and Beauty that will just brighten your skin. You get me? Or maybe like for like 2 weeks you're not using, maybe you can, if you cannot stay off Kojic Sun for 3 months, you can just say, okay, for like 2 weeks I'm not going to use Kojic Sun, I'm just going to use a mild soap. And then for like 2 weeks I'm not going to use a lightening lotion, I'm just going to use a Nivea Radiant and Beauty. Or maybe for like some time, just drop the lotion and then just use your Kojic Sun. Anyone you want to do, just make sure that your skin is breathing. Like, let your skin breathe. Let it breathe, let it breathe, let it breathe. You know when you say, finally I am free. I am resting. Let your skin rest. Let your skin rest. Let it breathe. Give your skin some space away from lightening products for a while. Let it breathe. Let it heal. If that makes sense. With that, you're good to go. Now, another thing you need to also note is this: you need to stay on sunscreen. I don't think there's anybody that will tell you to go ahead and buy a lightening product. I'll not tell you to use a sunscreen. If that person doesn't tell you to use a sunscreen, that person doesn't like you. That's the truth. But me, I love you so much, so I'll tell you to use sunscreen. Please, guys, it's very, very important to use sunscreen. If you know that you cannot afford expensive sunscreen, a lot of sunscreen that are very affordable. For example, Dr. Rachel's sunscreen is what I use. I'm not gonna lie, and it's really, really good. It moisturizes my face. Aside from the fact that it helps me with sun, it is really, really good and affordable. Key affordable. So you can opt for that sunscreen or any other sunscreen, but please stay on sunscreen. You cannot be using, my goodness, it's just very important. I don't want to talk too much. Stay on sunscreen. Now let's not make this video too long. Let's just go straight to how you can actually use your soap to get a fantastic result. All right, now how do you want to use the soap? Now you already have your soap with you, right? Stay close, please. You already have your soap with you. First of all, you need to make sure that your face is really clean. For example, you're on makeup, you just came back from work or from any other place you went to, and you're on makeup. You need to make sure that you clean off that makeup from your face, not just the wipe. So please, the cleanser, use cleanser to clean the face. Make sure that your face is actually clean. Or you can even use, maybe you did not use makeup before, just use water to wet your face. Maybe your face is actually just oily, use water to wet your face. It's actually wet, all right? It's a bit clean and it is wet. There's no makeup, nothing. It is wet. Then you now take the soap, mix it with water, get a lather from it, lather it on your face, let it lather very well. While lathering it on your face, you massage very well, massage and massage and massage thoroughly. Let it stay for like 30 seconds or 50 seconds. For example, if you're using like Kojic, it should not be more than 30 seconds, because Kojic, oh my goodness, you want to be careful with using Kojic if you don't want to have irritation, my sis. If you don't want to have acne on your face, you want to be careful. So please let it stay for just 30 seconds so that you don't have irritation. 30 seconds if it is Kojic. Any other soap, you can just make sure that highest 50 seconds, and then you rinse it off your face gently. Gently rinse it off your face. Be careful, it is your face. You want to make sure that you attend to your face as if you are tending to egg, little by little, one step at a time. There's no need to rush. Take it one step at a time. Gently rinse, gently massage. All those things are very, very important. And after rinsing your face, pick up a moisturizer. That is, if you have not even used your toner before that or your serum before that, pick up a moisturizer. Guys, if you're using a lightening skin product or you're using a lightening skin soap, you need to get a moisturizer, because those soap can be very dry. I said it before that you need to note. I'm telling you now, use a moisturizer. Let me tell you the moisturizer I can recommend for you to use that are still affordable and will do the very, very great work for you. You can try Ceramide moisturizer. The gel, yes, it is very, very affordable and it is really good. You can also use simple moisturizer. Make sure that you know the one that is very good for your skin type. That is why I said it before, know your skin type. So choose the one that suits your skin type. There's one for dry skin, there's one for oily skin. So please know the one that you are going to pick. Alright, these are the two moisturizer I can actually recommend for you guys. But if you have anyone that you know you use and is very okay for your skin, that's fine. And if you have anyone in mind that you want to get that suits your skin type, that's okay, that's all right. But please get a moisturizer. It is very, very important. And if you cannot afford to get a moisturizer at all, just get a sunscreen that can also serve as a moisturizer and a sunscreen. Please make sure that you stay on well hydrated products after using your lightening soap. It is a key thing to do. All right, that's all I have for you guys for now. Many more ads to come. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my video, turn on post notification, and please do share this video. I love you so much. Bye.